Hello, I'm Brian Esser from How To Automotive, and in today's video, it's going to be an open discussion video where we're going to talk about, is it better to be a flat rate technician or an hourly technician during the slow times or the tough times? So stay tuned for that. Okay, so what I wanted to talk to you about is what the difference, kind of like the pros and cons, and kind of get your opinion on what you guys think of working when it's super slow, the benefits of being a flat rate technician and the benefits of being an hourly technician. So as you know, the world is changing, and right now everybody's probably slow or affected in some way, shape, or form of what's going on here on April 1st, 2020, and what's been going on for the last couple of weeks here. So everybody's probably slow and going through some sort of challenge with this stuff. So, an hourly person may, if they're lucky, they get to stay at the shop and get to work, and they get their full pay. Everything is good, but there's going to be a time when they can't sustain that, so they're going to send you home for sure. So while you're here, I do have some suggestions for you. If you're one of those employees that are hourly and you're standing around, you're going to be the first one to go home. But if you're an hourly employee and you're hustling, you're making things happen at the shop, you're either sweeping, cleaning, pulling maintenance on the shop, making yourself useful and valuable to the shop, you'll most likely extend the time that you're at the shop before you're sent home and get more hours. So that's something you can do as an hourly employee to do. All right. So as a flat rate technician, you can do a few things to keep yourself busy and keeping the work flowing. One is to do really thorough inspections on the vehicles when you have them in the bay, and try to get that upsell, but not take advantage of anybody. Just do what they need to service the vehicles, but do a thorough job, even more thorough than you probably normally would, to help keep yourself going. Also, I like to keep a log of my customers and recommend when they have recommendations, and if they don't do the services now and they leave, that way I can call them up when times are slow, and then you can say, hey, last time you were in, you needed such and such service and you didn't have the time to do it. Well, we have time today. If you're available, you can bring your vehicle in and we can get that service done for you. So that's a good tip for you guys to get more work in the shop and keep work flowing. So that's that would work for either flat rate or hourly, and that could go with the shop service writer too. They can use that technique to get the workflow in here, is go through their computer system, look for that service that was recommended on vehicles in the past, give them a phone call, say, hey, we got time, and keep that work flowing. And hopefully that'll keep you guys busy and keep you making money and keep you at the shop, both you hourly and you flat rate employees. So I wanted to open this up for discussion with you guys to determine which is better. How is it working out for you as an hourly employee? So if you're an hourly employee, let me know down in the comments, what's going on at the shop. Let me know, are you being sent home? Are you getting creative and coming up with work ideas? I'd love to hear those creative ideas. That way we can share it with other people, and hopefully we can create some more work and people can stay at work and here at the shops, keep things going so we can support our families. We need a stable income week after week, and so being here at work is going to do that. So in flat rate, guys, I'm curious to hear what you guys are doing to generate work and keep yourself going and generate those hours that you need without doing any, scammy stuff. I don't want to hear about any scammy stuff. I would like to just know what's working out there. So leave a comment in the description of the video, and that way we can all learn from this and grow and make some money and support our families. I'm Brian Esser from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching, and be safe out there.